In this video, I'll show you how to link Cash App to Bank of America. It is very simple, so follow along every step, and if you have any questions, ask them below in the comment section. The first thing you will need to do is open the Cash App application on your phone and hit on the top right corner on your profile. Then you will need to scroll down until this section about account and settings and click on the linked banks button. Now, you can proceed to do the same thing in two different ways. One is by using your debit card to add Bank of America, or the other way is by choosing the No Card button. So firstly, we'll do the No Card way and then the other option. So when you've clicked on Linked Banks, click on Add Debit Card and then click on the No Card button below. Then you can click on Continue to add your bank. A wide variety of banks will appear, so search for the Bank of America logotype and click on it. Once clicked, you will be asked to log in into your Bank of America account, so you can be verified. And then once you have logged in correctly, your Cash App will be linked to your America account. The other way is by using your debit card to link your Bank of America account. On linked banks, you will need to hit the Link Debit Card button again. Once you have linked your card into the Cash App, you can reopen the Linked Banks section again, and below your card there will be the option to link your bank. Click on that button, hit Continue and then Verify, and you're done.